Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we talked about how to find an apartment in Paris. You might have followed our guides and have found the apartments that you wish to rent. We noticed from the comment section that some people wondering how to prepare their rental file to get a positive answer from the landlord. Indeed, the rental file is essential to rent accommodation in France. A well-prepared rental file builds your persona to your future landlord and proves that you are a qualified tenant. This video will tell you how to prepare a rental file to ensure you stand out from other candidates and ultimately gets the landlord to say he wants you. I will introduce you to two parts. The first part is about the essential documents, which also means the must-have documents. And the second part is the additional documents. A well-prepared additional document will increase your chance of being noticed by the landlord. As a foreigner in France, the must-have documents in a rental file usually consist of your passport and a valid titre de séjour. These documents will prove that you can legally stay in the country and have the right resource to pay the rent. Moreover, you need documents that tell your responsibility and task in France. For example, if you were a student, you must show a school registration letter or a student card. People who a French company has employed should have a letter from the employer. Proof of income. Proof of income tells the landlord that you can pay the rent. What did you need to prepare? Usually your last 3 monthly payslip, or benefits from pension funds, or income from property ownership as a supplement. A guarantor. For students or people with insufficient income to reassure the landlord, a surety document from a guarantor is essential. In case the rent is not paid on time, the guarantor will be responsible for the rent payment. The guarantor file should include a valid ID, proof of a current address and income. Furthermore, the guarantor must sign a statement saying he agrees to pay the tenant's rent he guarantees. The guarantor must be a physical person who's living in France. In case you're an expat who doesn't have a guarantor in France, a solution exists thanks to the agency GuarantMe. This agency helps to guarantee students and expats. Using PARISRENTAL as a referral, you can have a €35 discount on your fee. Besides the must-have documents, there are ways and means to strengthen your rental file with the nice-to-have documents. As the old saying teaches, forewarned is forearmed. These documents will add highlight to your rental file and increase your chance of gaining acceptance from the landlord or agency. Nice-to-have documents include a tax return receipt, a receipt for your last 3-month rent called quittance de loyer in French, a reference letter from the previous landlord confirming that you pay the rent on time, a cover letter to the future landlord telling your purpose for staying in France, whether you are alone or not, if you have a pet, and a non-smoker, etc. Last but not least, be aware that because you will submit official documents to your landlord, your rental file needs to be in printed paper, not a screenshot on your phone. Besides, the process of preparing a rental file can be very time-consuming. Therefore, do keep your history rental file handy. It will save your time and preparation the next time you rent an apartment in France. Voila! You now know all about rental file when looking for an apartment in Paris. I hope this video was of help to you. If you have any question, please leave your comment below and the PARISRENTAL multilingual team will get back to you shortly.